What's going on, guys? So really quickly before this video gets started, you guys are going to notice a different music tone for my intro and outro. I wanted to give a special shout out to Ian. His name is Philosopher'Stoned. I'm going to have all of his information in the description box below, but he is a music producer and he actually made something custom for my channel. Matt, my boyfriend, he was the one that kind of orchestrated the whole thing, so I really appreciate both of them. If you want to hear more about Philosopher'Stoned, his music and his work, make sure you check out the information in the description below. But I hope you guys enjoy the new intro and outro music for my channel, Her Auto Perspective. But with that being said, thank you guys again, and let's get this video started. Alexa back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change your oil in a 2010 Camaro SS. My boyfriend Matt is going to show me how to do this. Then maybe I won't have to go to the dealership anymore to get my oil changed. I'm going to show you guys what type of oil I bought, and I actually have the receipt right here with me. So I went ahead with the brand Mobil 1. Got full synthetic, as you guys can see. So my specific engine is 6.2 liters, so with that big engine, I need a lot more oil, so this takes about 7 or 8 gallons. So I have 7 gallons here with me. This is 5 gallons there, another one here, and another one right here. The 5-gallon one costs about 30 bucks. The 1 gallons was about $6.19, and I have my oil filter here, Mobil 1 once again. Oil filter was $15. So you guys add all of that up, and that's what roughly it's going to cost. Whereas at the dealership, I would say with everything, it costs maybe around $115, $120, because they factor in the labor, of course. So not too bad, but we have the ramps right here. Gonna drive the car up, and we're gonna go ahead and get this done. Shouldn't take too long because, of course, we're low on daylight. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright. So we're currently using a 7-Eleven bucket because we do not at the moment have a drip pan. Was left at the house, but it's alright. So look, but either way we'll get it done. We're gonna pour the old oil back into the containers and dispose of them properly. So we're gonna go ahead and get that started. But if I were you, I would advise letting the car cool off for a few extra minutes. So he's gonna show me what screw he's going under.
Okay, yeah. Oh, now over here is where the bolt is. It's right there. You literally just pop it and the oil comes shooting out. Now I will let you know it is gonna be hot since the car just got driven and turned off, so it's gonna be a little warm. Ideally I would say let it cool off.
Yes. Yes.
But you know, if you're just trying to get it done, I mean, you do what you do. This is a 16 ratchet.
Okay.
It fits on it, so it's gonna work today. And we're gonna use this to put on that bolt and crack and take it off. When you crack it, the oil is gonna shoot out, so it does need to be like right there for you to actually get to it. Hopefully this isn't on here tight. Nope, and it's not, which is good. Oh, all right. My suggestion is to get it to about hand tight so that you can just do it with your hands. That way it's just a little bit easier. Once it's hand tight, you really just take it out, loosen it, and then your oil, there goes your oil. And then you just let it drain. It's a little warm.
Yeah, I see it on your hands.
They do have quick dry sand and stuff like that, so you can clean up if you get it somewhere, because this being my, I don't know how many times doing this, I have messed up before and missed the pan and it end up on the floor or garage floor, and then you have to clean it up. Drain your oil and put your plug back
Immediately.
So apparently the 2010 model of the Chevrolet Camaro SS is different from my 2012 V6 version. For the V6 I can speak to, our oil filter is on the top just to the right of the engine. However, judging from this, it still has just your normal regular filter that most cars have. So I'm gonna have to go back under, and I guess we can go over the little tool that we're about to use and show you where the oil filter is on the bottom of the car.
Which is literally like right behind the oil pan.
Which is right behind the oil pan.
Yeah.
Like I was saying.
So you don't have to fight to find it.
So you don't have to fight to find it. Sometimes you have to fight to get it off.
But you said there's a special tool.
But I'm about to go back in here and grab that.
Alrighty. Alright, so we found the tool. And this is a oil filter wrench. This one specifically is called a swivel gripper. You can show them the brand. That's the size and everything. But essentially, it helps you remove the large, I guess, head of the oil filter, so that way you're able to screw it off from under the car. And you just replace that one, and I'll show you guys where under the car it's located. There it is.
Now, the thing about it is, you still also want to have something here, because sometimes oil can come out of there as well.
Okay. So it's this blue filter right here.
Yep, that's the blue filter cap right there. We're still going to stick something under it.
Just in case.
Just in case a little bit spills out, which it probably is.
So it's all about getting a good angle, getting a good grip. So just allow some patience when you guys try to do this.
And again, it's just taking a little bit longer because the car, of course, like I said, is hot.
But it is moving. Is it? Or?
No, it is. I'm just trying not to burn my hand.
Oh, okay. All right. I was just making sure.
Right, so
I see the oil.
Little,
yep.
Little
Yep.
Drip, drip.
Got the drips. Uh-oh.
Right.
Is the oil hot? Oh. So as he stated before, if you have the V6 engine, your oil filter will probably be under the hood, so you won't have to worry about this.
For
But
the 2012.
yeah, for the 2012 model. This is the 2010 SS. I do have the larger engine, the 6.2 liter engine, so everything is under the car because there's probably no more room in the engine bay to put anything.
No.
I don't know. But yeah, just gotta slowly remove that filter.
And again, like I said, the only reason I'm being slow with this is because the oil is hot a little bit.
As I said, let the car cool off for about an hour if y'all are patient individuals.
But if you crunch for time like we are, then do what you gotta do.
Damn, son, you did have a lot of oil in there.
Yes, I told eight quarts.
What are you running? Is that normal?
The engine is 6.2 liters. It's almost double the size of a normal engine.
That's two of Matt's cars.
No, it's not. She just got two more quarts than me. Ain't gotta over exaggerate.
That's a lot, dude.
And the
You're a lot.
new oil filter goes on there.
And you just screw it right back in.
Of course, I'm sure it doesn't
And
hurt.
then,
There you go. Use your tool.
of course, you got the tool. Just tighten it back down on there.
Careful, that exhaust. New oil filter is on there. So now we get to the easy part of just adding the new oil.
Yep. After that, you get your funnel. You put your funnel in here, and then you just pour your oil in here. So I would say do this first quart right here, and then check underneath.
Check for leaks.
And make sure it's not leaking. And
I don't see anything.
we don't see anything, and so we're good.
Good sign. Add the second quart.
So now we're just gonna go ahead and add the rest of it.
So Mobil 1 is Matt's preferred brand of oil, full synthetic oil. I was really about to get Royal Purple. I might try Royal Purple next time, but I've heard good things about Mobil 1, so I'm sure everyone has a preference. Let me know what you guys prefer in the comment section as far as oil brands go. There's plenty out there, but we're going to go with Mobil 1, so. Well, as you guys can clearly see, the hardest part is literally just the undercarriage stuff. So once that's good to go, you're straight.
Also, they have Mobil 1
They sure do.
on the cap because Chevy prefers Mobil 1.
That is this recommended brand, so there you go. That's my reason for going with Mobil 1 too. Hey.
And also on the cap, you also have the weight of oil that normally would go on your vehicle also right there.
And does that match with what the weight of oil is? It certainly does.
However, you can switch this up if you live somewhere where it's cold. There are different weights that you can put in the car, and that gets into a whole other thing that we're not going to get into.
Okay. All right, let's double check one more time for leaks. We'll check when we start and stop the engine, but so far it looks good. No drippity drips. All right, engine is on. That's not a major sound. That's just my cap rubbing against something. See, it's gone now. All right, let's check under the car. Looks good. I see no leaks. Alrighty. Alright. Well, I think that about does it. Have to be right in front of the headlights to do this outro, but I hope that was good and informational for you guys if you guys decide to change your oil in your 5th gen Camaro SS. Like I said, mine is 2010. I'm not sure if it varies with different years and the model type that you have. So you saw the one issue we ran into, so with the placement of the oil filter, but either way we got it done. So yeah, everything's taken care of. We'll probably change it again in about 5,000 miles, but hopefully that answered all of your questions. But if you have any questions that were unanswered, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And if you guys have any other tips or suggestions, you can feel free to leave those in the comment section as well. But thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content. I do post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care.